Alright, so we're gonna start off this haircut by combing out the hair just because we want to get it laying in one direction. And then we're gonna go in with our clippers closed. Usually you would do this step with the trimmers, but yeah, we're gonna do it with the clippers just because it's on a doll head. So this is gonna be a high fade. So we're gonna start the line at the corner of where the C cup and the sidebars meet. So once we make that line with the trimmer, then we're going in with our shaver and we're just going right underneath it. And then in between where you use the shaver and the trimmer, you want to go downwards with the shaver because it's gonna create a bit of a gradient, because when you go down with the shaver, it shaves, but it doesn't shave as close. So it's kind of, or it's gonna leave it right, the length right in between the shaver and the trimmer. So now I'm using my clippers halfway open and I'm pushing the line up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go fully open and push the line up a little bit. Usually I would do this in sections, how you're gonna see me do once I get to the next step to where I'm using the half. So right here, you can see I'm gonna stay in sections. So I've got the half guard. Well, it's on the blur guard, so it's a bit different. So I've got, it's basically the half guard, and then half guard halfway open, and then one guard halfway open, and then to the 1.5 halfway open. And then I'm using the 2 guard, clipper over comb, and then I'm gonna use the 2 guard open to blend in between excuse me, in between the 2 and the 2 clipper over comb. And then I'm gonna just continue doing those same steps all around the head, just repeating from the half guard. Like I said, usually I would do this from the no guard, but I kind of messed up in that part. So when doing clipper over comb, first we take the comb and we cut it horizontally, and then after we do that, we cut vertically while kind of flicking out. So when you cut horizontally, that's more so to remove the weight. When you cut vertically and kind of flick out, is more to blend. So yeah, I'm using the blur guard. So what I do is I open it a fifth of the way for it to be at half guard, half open. I open it halfway for it to be at a 1 guard. I open it 4/5 way to be at a 1 halfway open, and I open it all the way to be at a 1.5. So if that confuses you, you can just use, the no guard halfway open, hit right above that, and then no guard fully open right above that, and then the half guard closed right above that, half guard halfway open right above that, half guard fully open right above that, 1 guard closed right above that, 1 guard halfway open right above that, 1 guard fully open right above that, 1.5 guard closed right above that, 1.5 guard halfway open right above that, and then or 1.5 guard open right above that, and then 2 right above that, and then 2 clipper over comb horizontal, and then 2 clipper over comb vertical, and then 2 open, and to blend in between where you did the the clipper over comb and the 2 guard. So now here I'm using a round graduation technique for the parietal ridge, which I'm basically just grabbing the hair, pulling it out to the longest length on the side, and blending it into the shortest length on the top. And then what I'm going to do is go across from that on top, and then connect it to the other side pretty much. And then now here I'm just going to do some scissor over comb just to touch it up a little bit more. But if you cut the sides correctly, then you really don't have to do this. So that's going to be it, guys, for the video. If you liked the video or if you learned anything, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me. And I hope you guys learned something. And I hope y'all have a good day. Peace.